Are you planning to visit Indonesia in 2026? Before you book your flight, you need to know the most common visa to Indonesia, VOA, visa on arrival. And in this video, we will talk about step by step on real information that how you can prepare your application with the confidence. Most of the foreigner have the question, how much does it cost, how you can apply, and what documents required, can you extend, and what mistakes you should avoid. First of all, let me give you my introduction. My name is Mohammed and welcome to GlobeNestTravel. In this channel we will share official information, update, visa guides and immigration update from Indonesia. I live in Indonesia quite long time now, so let's start with step one, that you should not book your flight until you check the eligibility, that your nationality is allowed to apply this visa. And then I will also just suggest you to apply before your arrival, even you are eligible. How you can apply, you can go to the electronic website e-VOA Visa. First, let's understand what is VOA Visa. Visa on arrival, it's eligible foreigner, those who are eligible to apply on the international airport and checkpoint. So where they will be permitted to short stay visa for the certain permitted activities like tourism, or if you're going to attend a small event, business meeting, some kind of small stuff. And then you have to how you can apply. You can simply first create your account. After creating the account, then you can go to verify your email, gather the documents. What documents you need? You need your passport, valid for 6 months. You need your return ticket. You need your passport size photo. And you need your bank statement for the past 3 months, ending with $2,000 at least. And your hotel reservation. And after this, gathering all the documents, you have to upload one by one on the website e-portal with the official Indonesian immigration visa website, where you can upload these documents. And when you upload all the documents, then you can pay the fee online through the platform. Always check the latest visa fee, because Indonesia is always keep changing his immigration rules, his visa rules. So make sure you are checking before everything you're doing your application. So you can pay the visa fee. It's I will not say exactly, but because it's keep changing, so around it's $50 to $70 between. In Indonesian rupiah, it's what you can convert. So after, when you finish your fee and you have done your application, now most common mistakes people make, they don't upload correct bank statement. Or if you are applying with your fiancé, then make sure you have a joint account where it shows that this is going to cover your wife or your children, or the person who is with you going to travel, so even his family, so they can aware of it to avoid kind of delay. So this will be most common mistakes people make. And when you've done this all stuff, now you have to wait 5 working days. Most of the times you get in 5 working days. That depend on the load and the immigration workload. But you need to remember one thing: Indonesian immigration does not work in weekend. I might be wrong, but in my experience, most of the times there is If you apply visa and on Friday and you're expecting to be getting on Thursday, Saturdays, no, it's 5 working days. 5 working days means you apply on Monday to Friday, that will be for 5 working days. So you have to count, remove the weekend. And after this, when you get your visa, you can what you call and you arrive to airport, you might be asked it for the onward round trip ticket, where you're going to stay, your hotel booking. And also this can be the question as well. Mostly people, let's say when you applying the visa, you select your location Bali and it's issued in Bali, and then you arriving in Jakarta, so they might ask you that why you change your plan to Bali to Jakarta, So make sure you are clear with your action and you know your purpose. Now let's talk about extension. So a visa on arrival, it allow you to stay 30 days, and then it's allow you one-time extension. Remember, one-time extension. You cannot have more than one-time extension. So how are you going to do the extension? Make sure before expiry your current visa at least 10 days. Put the new application or apply for the extension. You might need to go for extension to your place. Let's say if visa was issued in Bali, you go to Bali immigration office. You are required to give a picture, your current picture that you are here. I mean, not someone is applying behalf of you, and your fingerprint. So and it applies to the same to the C1 visa, to visit visa, the one you get with the other one. And if you're going to extension, you might have to go to the immigration office nearest to give the fingerprint and give the picture. So make sure you apply not on the last end of the weekend when your visa is getting expired, and then you're running to the agent, then you're paying the more money. So this is mostly common mistakes people avoid. And make sure you don't forget when is your visa going to get expired. Now on this visa, you cannot legally work, you cannot open a bank account, you cannot travel to other country from this if you are not permitted to, like you cannot use as a option like now based on this visa you apply another visa to go another country. No, for that you have to get another residence permit, which is called kitas. I'm going to cover freelancer in investor visa. You can already watch my video, all the visa types into full details, and so you can have all real information to understand, to avoid kind of unofficial agents or visa services where you can not waste your time and money. So this was the visa on arrival, and if you have any question, you can write me in the comment and I will be happy to helping you to answer on that one. And also we are PT GlobeNestTravel, legally registered and based in Jakarta. If you wanted to apply with us, most welcome, and our team will handle more professionally, faster and more legitimate. So you can contact us, you can send us an email, infoglobenesttravel@gmail.com, and also you can visit our website www.globenest.id. If you want to send me a personal message, I will also have a WhatsApp link, and it's also in my bio, and I will drop the immigration website link as well if you want to do it yourself. So most welcome. That's all, and thank you so much for watching. Wait until the next video, which will be for your freelancer visa, the most common, mostly people like to apply from the nations who wanted to lifestyle, business, or whatever you want. Thank you.